you a tip that helps me keep that balance of being a wife, a mom, cleaning my house, and working full-time on YouTube. This is another question that I get asked quite often from you viewers, is how do I juggle it all? How do I keep up and do it all? I truly believe in keeping a schedule. I am such a scheduled, regimented person. It's how I've always been, and if I seem to go off schedule or off my regimen, I kind of feel anxiety, and so I try to stay on schedule as much as possible, and I truly believe in good time management. I believe that if you manage your time well, you can be productive and achieve whatever it is that you are wanting to achieve day after day. And so how do I do that on a daily basis, being a mom, a wife, and doing YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how I start every morning off. I start every morning off with a power hour of cleaning. I drop Allie off at school, and as soon as I get home, I start that power hour, and I allow myself 1 hour to clean the house before I start doing anything YouTube related. I really believe that if you just dedicate 1 hour to cleaning in the morning, a good power hour of cleaning every morning, you're not gonna fall behind in cleaning your house, and you're not gonna feel like you're buried and you can't keep up. So come clean with me and let me show you my power hour after I drop Allie out from school every morning. Just a fun fact, I cannot get into a messy bed. I have to make my bed every day. And although I don't pull back my super nice comforter every day, I do make it neat. I do straighten out all the blankets because I don't know what it is, but I just can't get into a bed that hasn't been made, where the sheets are all messy and out of order. And so, yes, I do make my bed every day. Our house is almost all tile, so I find that it's just so much easier to vacuum than it is to sweep. And so just about every day I do vacuum my house. The furniture polish that I like to use on the wood furniture in my house is by Pledge. It's an extra moisturizing furniture polish. It nourishes and conditions your wood furniture, and I love it because things like our dining room table that we use on a daily basis, it helps so it doesn't dry out and it stays looking shiny. Cleaner that I'm using in this bottle is by Mr. Clean. It's this antibacterial citrus scent by Febreze. I just absolutely love the smell of it. It just is such a clean, fresh scent, and so that's what I wipe my countertops down with.
The stainless steel cleaner that I use to polish my stainless steel is a cleaner and polish in one. You can find it for pretty inexpensive at Walmart. It's about $4 a can. I do cover my couches with blankets because it's just so much easier to take the blankets off and wash them versus having to shampoo the cushions of your couches. And I have really found that it really saves my couches by doing this. And I am kind of surprised at how dirty these blankets get from time to time, and it makes me that much more thankful that I put them on my couches. When we have company over or it is a holiday, I do take the blankets off, and I tell you, people always tell me how clean my couches are, and I tell them it's because I cover them.
Every Thursday, I do deep clean my bathrooms by scrubbing the showers, the toilets, and the sinks. But every other day until then, I just take my spray cleaner and wipe off the countertops and the toilet tops. Today, I'm using Mr. Clean. Maybe next week I'll be using Clorox Cleanup. It just depends on what I'm in the mood for. And that really only takes 2 to 3 minutes, and it just helps to keep it looking nice and clean, free of watermarks and soap scum. It is just about 9 o'clock and I am finished with my power hour, and I feel good about it. My house looks nice and neat, everything is back in order, and now it is time to get to work on making some videos for you guys. If you all want to see more of these videos, leave a comment in the comments below and let me know, because I am going off of your input and I've had a lot of requests for this type of video, and so I'm doing it. I know that this is kind of a trend with a lot of YouTubers now, is they're showing their power hours or their morning routines, their night routines. And so if that's something you all are interested in seeing, let me know and I'd be glad to show you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, and bye for now.